In this video I'm going to show you how to make a 5-foot tall PVC Christmas tree just like this one here for the cost of less than £10, excluding the price of the LED string. This is about £19 in total for a 5-foot LED Christmas tree. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So here is a list of the parts you're going to need. So going to need your string lights. That's a string of 200 multicolored LEDs. You're then going to need 2 strips of this. This is 3 meters in length, and this costs less than £4 for 3 meters. And what you're going to want to do, I'll show you in a second. You're going to need a drill and a drill bit. You're going to need a 40mm coupler. Puppy can help as well. You're going to need some cable ties, white ones preferably, but obviously any colour will do. And then the pipe. So once you have your 3 meters, what you're going to do is you're going to chop one down to 1.5 meters, and then you're going to chop the other one down to 1.5 meters, and then you're going to chop the remaining length. Do not eat those, please, little get off the Christmas lights. This is not how I envisioned the video going. Helper. Then you cut the remaining length into 150mm length pipes. And what we're going to do with these are going to be used as the base to space the 3 tall pipes up. So what you need to do is you need to then get all 3 pipes like this, and then attach your coupler. Push these inside there. It will be a tight fit, but it will fit. Right, I'm going to do that, and I'll come back in just a second and show you. There we are. We've now put the 3 couplers. They go, the 3 pipes into the coupler. They go in there nice and tight, and then that is going to be the top of our tree. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drill a hole all the way through here and here. You want them both from the same place on both sides. On that one, same on that one, and the same on that one. And we're going to use those to space these apart. So I'll drill the holes and then I'll come back and show you what we do next. Okay, now we've got the holes drilled, see, going through opposite ends of all of these 3 pipes. What we're now going to do is we're going to put some cable ties through these pipes. What we're going to do is we're going to join them together. So put cable tie in, through, and back round. Oh, what is it, Coral? So they're like this. And repeat that again for this one. You helping? Of course I help. Pull them, I'll tug them, play with them. And then one last one into this one here. In, through, and back round. Oh, kisses. And then what we've done, we've created a triangle for the puppy to play with. Okay. You want this one? You want this? Okay, thank you. So with our triangle, what we can now do is we can now stand the 3 poles up, put 1 pole inside each of the cable ties. We can bring these up slightly, and then we can bring these cable ties in tight. What this will do, as you can see, it will gives a base for our tree. The great thing about using the cable ties like this is you can take this down at the end of the year, and then you can store it flat packed as a tube, as a long length of tubes, rather than a she's into everything at the moment. There we are, 1, 2, 3. We'll trim those off in just a second. And you can see we have a nice strong base for our tree. And there we go, it comes up and goes into the top and then down to a nice triangle base. What we can do is we can take the cable ties off the puppy and trim the excess off of all of these. Cable ties just around the 3 pipes, doing them 2 at a time. So that is now all 3 of those are nicely secured, because like I say, we've done 2 at a time, so 2 and 2 and 2, and then that's hold those 3 together. So I'm going to trim this extra off here. Trim those off. Just bring you in here so you can see, just like this, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So that's nice and tight. What we do now is you bring your string of LEDs in. I'm just going to start with this bottom triangle. Start down here. I'm going to cable tie our lights on down here. So we are going round. There's 2 options for this. You can either go up and down, so I mean like up and down like this, and then down and up and down and up and down, or you can go round. So that's up to you. You can just cable tie around in circles, or you can cable tie to the top and then back down again, and then up and down and up and down. So which way should we go? I think we're going to go round. We are definitely going to go round. So what we're going to do is just cable tie it in each corner. The £10 PVC Christmas tree. As you can see, it's very simple to make. Took just a few minutes. Looks very effective. If the puppy doesn't eat the Christmas tree. Hey. So there you go. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips, tricks and how-tos. Thanks for watching. Have a good Christmas.